ready?
Since there's a new update on the pump class, maybe for some it was nerfed because of this. When you press and hold the jump, it only jumps a little. When you double press the jump, now it has a normal pump, but it's a little low. But for us who uses keyboard and mouse, I think this is a great advantage for us, since we can do this on the new update of the pump class. See? So I'm using only one button for that. Let's wait for the pump to replenish. So I'm only using one button for that. So pump class is activated. So let's do that again. We can do that over and over again, but make sure the pump class is active.
Airdrop has been delivered.
So in order to clean up that, open Flydigi app, edit, make any button you want. Let's say B, double click this, macro, choose press and repeat, edit, add, make this 0, confirm, put this on here. Let's add another button, make this 0, confirm, put it on here. Save, make another same button, B, macro, press and repeat, edit, add. So make this 0, confirm, put this on here, add another button, make this 0 again, confirm, put it on here. Let's save this. Let's add another button, B again, double click this, macro, edit, add one button, double click this, make this 0 again, confirm, put this on pump class. Okay, so let's save this first. Open custom layout, open Flydigi app, edit, open the B again, edit. This one is for the pump class, and this 2 is for the glide. Put save and use, exit. So if we press and hold the letter B, and if we press again the letter B, it will glide. So once again, we will press and hold the letter B, and if we will press and hold the letter B, and if we see the glide button, let's press the letter B again to glide. So press and hold the letter B, press again to glide. So you can do that over and over again, but make sure that the pump class is active. If you want to do high pump with just pressing once the button, here's the key mapping for that. So open Flydigi app, edit, make any button. Let's say G, double click this, macro, edit, just add 6 button, 6, put this on the right side of the jump icon, right side, save, make another G button, same button, G button, double click this, macro, edit, add 6 button again, put this on the left side of this of the jump icon, save, add another button, same button again, letter G, same key I mean, so same key again, letter G, macro, edit, put one here, save this first, open settings, custom layout, open Flydigi app, edit the G again, open the G. Here's our the key mapping for pump. Let's add a button, put it on the glide icon. Save and use, exit. So let's press once the letter G. So
airdrop has been delivered.
let's press once the letter G.
Almost ready.
So let's test it. So let's press once the G key, and if we see the glide icon, if you want to glide, just press again the G key. So see, let's wait for the pump to be activated. So press once the G, and let's press G again to glide. Press G to glide. See? It's really up to you if you want to glide or not. So if you don't want to include the pump class on the key mapping, so open Flydigi app, edit, open the G for our pump class, edit, just remove this, delete, save. So you can do highest jump without using the pump class. See? If you want to have a consistent high jump or high pump, make sure the glide icon is on the right side of the screen, or you can use different button or different key for glide. So that's how you make your high pump or high jump consistent. I'll teach you a trick that may benefit you, especially if you're a shotgun main. It will be like this. So in order to scheme up that, open Flydigi app, edit, make any button you want. Let's say 6. Open this macro, edit, add button, double click this, swipe up, make this 0 and make this 0.12. Swipe range is 63. Confirm, put this on here, and add another button and put this on the crouch icon. Save. So you really need to time it. So if you're on standing position and if you press letters, and if you press number 6, that will happen and it will automatically run. You really need to wait your character to run, then press the button for the key mapping for slide. So that's it for the key mapping of the newly updated pump class and the slide. So I hope that you learned from this video, and if this video helps you, please do click the like button, and if you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe for more key mapping tutorials just like this one, DIY tutorials, reviews, and other contents. And that's all, and see you in my next video.
Get ready.